Welcome to Crypto Gems. In today's video, we're going to do a quick comparison of Plutus and Crypto.com. This video is not a financial advice. This video is just for educational and entertainment purpose only. So please do your own research. All the links will be mentioned in the description box below. Please don't forget to hit the like, comment and subscribe to watch more of such videos. Alright, so this is the website of Plutus. You can access it by going to plutus.it. As per the website, you can achieve true financial freedom. Receive a UK sort code and account number or European IBAN within few minutes. If you want to open an account, just click over here and follow the prompts. You can manage your finances, earn rewards and unlock additional benefits. Also, creating an account is quite easy and seamless. You can create an account within 2 minutes. You just need to do a KYC verification super quick and that should be it. There are no restrictions. You can transfer funds, make payments and track your expenses. You can load your Plutus branded contactless Visa card with either fiat or converted crypto. The Plutus card will let you shop at over 60 million merchants worldwide, both online and in store. You can earn a 3% crypto reward and unlock additional perks and benefits. They also have a DEX where you can swap crypto assets. So you can convert Pluton and Ethereum with Euro at a verified spot rate. The Plutus DEX is a non-custodial and peer-to-peer platform, and you can use this platform to buy crypto and sell crypto real quick. It gives you an overall 3% reward in cryptocurrency, which is pretty impressive. You can spend with your Plutus card and earn a 3% reward. So what are Pluton rewards? Pluton is the world's first decentralized loyalty rewards token to enter the market and can be earned on purchases using the Visa debit card. Unlike traditional reward programs, they are not restricted to a single merchant or store. Some of the benefits of Pluton are that you get access to Plutus Perk. Holding PLU will unlock Plutus Perk to give you additional benefits on top of the 3% crypto reward. You can stake for premium and pro services. You can convert it into the Plutus card balance and transfer without any restrictions. So just a bit more understanding about how their rate work is that the Plu reward rate is deflationary, meaning as usage of their services grow, the rate at which Plu is emitted to the members decreases. The reward model ensures scarcity, which provides additional value to the Plutus member. The daily emission rate is currently 3%, and the emission rate will reduce when the transaction volume increases on the Plutus DEX. So if you want to get a general idea about how much you can earn, you can actually click the currency over here. So let's say we want to go for euros. So assuming I am spending around 1,000 euros approximately, I have a potential to earn Plu 2.21, which is pretty impressive. They also have a Discord channel where you can join and stay connected with the community, and also you can visit their support center. If you have any questions, reach out to them. Their customer service time is really good. They give response within 24 hours. They also have Plutus Perk. So the Plutus Perk program provides the premium and pro member with additional benefits on top of the extra 3% crypto rewards. You will receive 3% in Plu reward every time you spend with your Plutus card. This will automatically unlock additional perks which you can view in the Pluton dashboard. So there is level 1 to 3. So the first 3 levels unlock new retail branches at which you can earn additional PLU. Level 4 and 5, the bonus levels that unlock higher reward rates and other perks. So the highly rewarding debit card is definitely a must check out. You can add your debit card with GBP or Euro and you can use it to make instant payments, or you can convert your Plu or ETH into a spendable card balance. Also, it's non-custodial, so that's pretty amazing. So they have made it possible to link the personal cryptocurrency wallet to the Plutus card without revealing your private keys. This means you can convert your crypto assets to fund your Plutus card without having to trust any centralized third parties. So that's really good. It just ensures more security of the transaction. Now let's talk about Crypto.com, which is the world's fastest growing crypto app. You can join 10 million users buying and selling 250 cryptocurrencies at true cost. You can spend with Crypto Visa card and get up to 8% back. Grow your portfolio by receiving rewards up to 14.5% on your crypto assets. So Crypto.com currently has an app which you can use to buy and sell cryptocurrencies. They also have an NFT platform where you can trade digital art on the blockchain, and also they have a metal Visa card which we are going to take a quick look into. They also have Crypto.com Pay. So when you take a look at the products over here, you can see that currently Crypto.com has an app which you can use to buy and trade cryptocurrency. They also have an NFT platform where you can trade NFT, which is non-fungible tokens on a blockchain. Crypto.com also has their own list of Visa cards. So right now they have Midnight Blue, Ruby Steel, Royal Indigo, Jade Green, Rose Gold, and Icy White, and Obsidian card. For these cards, you need to stake a certain amount of Crow as mentioned over here, and the Crow rewards that you can earn can range anywhere from 1% to 8%. Some of the benefits of the card are the Spotify membership, Netflix membership, Prime, Expedia, Airbnb, lounge access, and all of that fun stuff. But again, it depends on the card you pick. Card does have certain privileges, but not all the cards provide all the perks. They also have a fee limit for ATM withdrawal per month, which you can check it out over here. So overall, I feel Plutus is a platform that has been building connection between cryptocurrency and traditional finance since 2015, and the company behind Plutus is mainly focused on their Visa card offering. However, they operate a P2P exchange as well for their users. There are a number of positive aspects with Plutus in my opinion. The Plutus card comes with a reasonable fees and plenty of cashback rewards for those who do not mind the heavy integration of the Plu token into the platform. If I just want to quickly compare Plutus and Crypto.com, I would say that Plutus is a lot more better option. The reason being it provides a non-custodial cryptocurrency wallet, while Crypto.com does not give that benefit, and Plutus gives 3% cashback on the purchases made with the Plutus card, so that's pretty impressive, while you cannot avail this option with Crypto.com. Plutus also gives additional benefits available to premium pro members, while Crypto.com don't provide those perks. Plutus also has a mobile app which is pretty amazing that would allow you to convert cryptocurrency onto your card in few seconds, while on the other hand Crypto.com does not have this feature. The other thing that is really great about Plutus is the fact that they give free trading fees with membership, which Crypto.com does not offer. Also, Plutus is one of the only non-custodial card on the market as of this date, and that's why I really feel that Plutus is a better option compared to Crypto.com. So currently Pluton, which is the token of Plutus, has the lowest market cap compared to the Crow token of Crypto.com. So I really like Plutus and I highly recommend you guys to check it out. All the links will be mentioned in the description box below. Plutus actually has more flexible perks when you compare it with Crypto.com. Plutus is also focusing on developing more fiat banking features like banking license in the next 2 years. Crow, which operates off a similar model, has a market cap of 350x higher than Plu. Plutus has converted 50% of its users to subscription plans due to its successful reward model. So overall, I am really excited about Plutus. So this is the Twitter page of Plutus. They currently have a following of 21.8k followers. I really feel that Plutus is a better project than Crypto.com, and I'm really excited to see what the future holds for them. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it helpful. Please don't forget to hit the like, comment, and subscribe, and I shall see you guys in my next one. Till then, take care.